The NFT sector is witnessing massive adoption in 2021. The introduction of the metaverse and the integration of NFT in them have provided a strong use case. Until December 3rd, according to CoinMarketCap, the NFT market has seen sales worth USD 19 billion, who has increased by 29% in the last month. Out of this, approximately 57% is in primary sales. This implies that people find NFT investment early and then sell them for a profit. Can all NFT projects survive? We don't think so. Only a few will survive and thrive in this space. The key is to find the right project early. So, you must be wondering, there are so many NFT out in the market. How do I choose one which will be rewarding in the long run? Therefore, in this guide, Altcoin Buzz is sharing our NFT scouting methodology with you. 1. Twitter. Twitter is the most powerful tool to identify NFT projects early. This platform is where the NFT community lives. Therefore, you can see which popular influencers and buyers in the space are following and interested in. This is where everyone talks about projects they like, dislike, what they're buying, holding, and selling. For example, accounts like Bobby Quinn use an analytical approach to valuing NFT, and accounts with bait that have been around since the NFT craze that trades very well on conviction. In this case, users can create lists to organize common topics and branch out. Also, users can see who interacts with who and proceed from there. Finally, you can engage in Twitter Spaces to see what the people you follow are thinking in live time. 2. Discord. Discord is an even better tool than Twitter to find NFT gems if you can filter through the noise. Every project, community, or influencer has its Discord server with various levels of engagement. Likewise, if you can find servers with tight-knit communities that openly discuss new projects, you will find 1. Servers such as Free Mint Club give announcements about upcoming free mints. Also, there are servers for individual NFT collections. 2. Join the Bake server to talk with OG Bake Minters. 3. The Cool Cats server to talk with Cool Cats developers. Finally, the best way to find what the community is buying or selling is to interact, and there is no better way to interact than with Discord. 3. Nansen.ai. True analytical data is one of the most logical ways to identify NFT gems. Therefore, Nansen puts that power in an accessible fashion for its users. Nansen aggregates buyer data from OpenSea and breaks it down into easy-to-digest graphs and analytics. Users can see where the smart money is going, or in other words, see what the market's most influential buyers are buying and holding. Also, you can set alerts to notify you when specific wallets mint or buy a new collection. You can also see what the hottest groups are for each week. 4. Rise NFT. Rise NFT is an expensive but powerful tool for finding undervalued NFT and acting quickly. Rise Solutions is a secret tool before being adapted for NFT. With the NFT extension, users get access to various incredibly powerful tools. Therefore, Rise automatically watches this collection. And if anyone posts well below the floor looking for quick liquidity, Rise notifies you to allow you to purchase it quickly. Also, Rise sells access to this tool in the form of an NFT, available for 0.94 ETH plus a 0.08 ETH monthly subscription. A lifetime subscription is available for 3.89 ETH. At least as the subscription comes in the form of an NFT, you can sell it on OpenSea at any point. Here is a tutorial video of how to download the extension. 5. OpenSea activity. Another strategy is to use the OpenSea tools and other sites give you. Use Twitter, Discord, and other tools to find hot or trending collections and monitor their activity in OpenSea. This is a free and easy option. Find the collection and click the Activity tab. You can see minute-by-minute transactions and stats like the average price, owners, and more. Additionally, you can watch all OpenSea activities manually. Just click Stats, Activity, and then sort by a chain. Also, users can watch for trends, high sales, and recurring collections. and you will begin to recognize almost every collection if you spend enough time on OpenSea. Finally, users will be able to watch for trends of whales, scooping up rares from a collection to see early indications of a trending collection. Moreover, you can watch for recurring collections in the feed to see how the entire community moves on. 6. The Roadmap. The Roadmap map is one of the most important documents given to the public for essentially every project. This is the list of upcoming events, drops, and important dates for the project. The roadmap can be one of the most telling parts of a successful NFT project. If you are investing in a project for the longer term, a roadmap with strong long-term events is something you should be looking for. Additionally, roadmaps with tons of unrealistic short-term promises are red flags. These are often used to pump the price before a rug pull. These promises come in the form of free airdrops, tokens, benefits, and more. Therefore, sniffing these red flags out, typically coupled with anonymous, price/floor-oriented devs, is essential in finding rug pulls. On the other hand, a roadmap is a collection guide to the future. Also, deciphering these guides and finding new innovative roadmaps is key to discovering the most profitable NFT projects. Finally, a roadmap is typically found on the project website or social media, and it should be one of the first things you look at before investing in a new collection. 7. IC Tools. IC Tool is a subscription-based platform that gives minute-by-minute trends in the NFT market. Instead of using OpenSea to watch trends, let IC Tools aggregate all the data for you. In a free plan, IC Tools provides hourly and daily trends. With a $62 per month subscription, you get access to 15M and 30M trends, track wallets, and get alerts for when they buy, sell, mint, as well as hot mint alerts. While this may seem like a steep investment, one lead on a hot mint could pay for your subscription for the entire year. So IC is a worthwhile investment for analytically focused traders looking for a user-friendly UI. 8. Rarity Tools. Rarity Tools is a fantastic website for finding new mints, as well as underpriced rares. Therefore, users can use the upcoming mints calendar to see a curated list of mints for the next few weeks and feel what the community is excited for in the next few weeks. Also, users can see who is following these projects and branch off from there. Some may mint out, some may mint few. Use this as a research and jumping off tool. Moreover, Rarity Tools is great for finding underpriced rares in a collection. Pick the group you are interested in. In addition, users can set the filter to buy now, and Rarity will populate the site with an ordered list of purchasable NFT from the collection with their prices. Find your price range, and you might find a nice deal. 9. NFT Calendar. NFT Calendar is the go-to site for every upcoming NFT drop. Projects submit to be featured on the site, and a running list of upcoming NFT mints is published. Now, this becomes a very, very saturated list. Anyone can submit to NFT Calendar to be featured. Remember that sellers can even pay to boost their projects to the top of the list. This is a great website to use as a jumping-off point for your research. It is free and constantly updating, meaning you can access it and do your mints for the week's research at any time. Here is a video about the upcoming NFT drops. 10. Look at the project. Finally, the most important aspect to finding valuable NFT projects is to look at the project yourself. First, you need to invest in projects that interest you. Simply buying what everyone else is buying, or what the trends are showing, will lead to anxiety-induced paper hands and bad decision-making. When you invest in projects that you understand, have an interest in, you will be able to sit through some of the bad days. Trading on what everyone else is doing will only lead to you being stuck with a liquid JPEGs. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.